don't want to look at you. I'd rather look at the guy with clothes on.
Well, I'm not screaming clothes on. Clothes off.
Oh, come on.
Did you make it here? Are you somewhere? Lisa? Oh, hi. Sorry. And how come only one hand is going up? People are like, yeah, what's that?
I'm taller. Anymore.
Someone broke my chair.
Someone? I'll get a good guess.
Where's your moose?
Yeah, I'll give that one a 30-second window for 2 years. Misha did it?
This one. Let's find her. Hey, you want to switch seats? Thank you, Jen.